Hi, I'm Brandon and I'm from BAFTA Kids Place2Be, chatting about being brave for Children's Mental Health Week.
How are you, Brandon? You're right. You look so smart and so handsome. Wow.
How brave do you think Sam is?
How brave? Mark, you mean? Mark's quite brave, actually. Yeah, he is quite brave.
Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give him a 7.
That's not bad.
I'm not going to lie, I'm actually not that brave all the time.
I don't know, I'm quite brave, but I'm not the bravest.
I'd say I'm about an 8 or 9.
How brave are you?
4.
4?
Like, if there's ever like a dog and it barks, I'm scared.
It's pretty brave to do this tonight.
What's the bravest thing you've ever done?
I think one of the bravest things I've ever done is climb a massive, 25-foot climbing wall.
I went bungee jumping once and I was so scared. So I did that, so that was quite brave.
Being an actor's quite scary sometimes.
Well, I've done a few stunts in movies.
So auditions are scary, so I have to be brave then.
I'm generally bowled over by other people's bravery. Like the bravery of my wife when she gave birth to our children, which is something I'm pretty glad I never have to go through.
What helps you feel brave?
My mum. Anytime I feel a bit like I've got a doubt, my mum's my best pal.
How brave do you think you were when you had to handle all the creatures?
I think I started off not very brave and actually really scared to do the task. But as the time went on, I got braver and braver, and by the end, I felt like I could just go for it.
Where'd you get your confidence? That's what I want to know. Where'd you get all your...
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
It just comes naturally.
It's important to do things every now and then that push you outside your comfort zone.
I've just booked onto a stand-up comedy course because I think that is so scary to stand up there in front of a crowd of people. But I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. I'm really scared of dogs, and this morning I let a dog run past near me. So I think it's taking baby steps. I think that's what it means to me.
Do you think you're being brave now?
I think I am, because not many people would do what I'm doing now. So it's you've got to have a lot of courage to do this as well. So don't be nervous at all. Just trying to be friendly with them.
I'll tell you a little secret. I don't think brave ever feels brave.
If you believe that it's the right way to go, having the courage to move forward with that, that's very brave.
People like young carers or people with mental health issues, I think they're massively brave for just getting up, getting on with their lives and dealing with the issues that they've got.
It's okay to be upset sometimes, but you can be brave in any way that you want to.
Everyone's brave in some way, shape or form.
We all go into challenges thinking, there is no way I can do this. You're wrong. You can do it. You definitely can't if you don't try.
It will always feel better once you've done it.
So step 1, try. Give it a go.
Doing it anyway, in spite of how you're feeling.
Being resilient and not giving up. Step 2, you're going to be great. Stop overthinking it. Those are my tips. That's it.
Well done. Good presenting skills. Very impressed.
High five, buddy.